In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a super admin user in Google Workspace. 5 minutes. A super admin is the highest level of administrator in Google Workspace, with full access to manage users, security, billing, and settings across your organization. By default, the very first account created when you sign up becomes the initial super admin. Today, I'll show you how to grant that same level of access to another user when you need to. Start by signing into the Google Admin console using an account that already has permission to manage admin roles. The admin console is where all organization-wide settings live, so make sure you're using a trusted device and you're signed in with the correct work account. Once you're in the admin console home, look to the main menu on the left and open Directory. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see all options. Inside Directory, choose Users. This page lists everyone in your organization. You can scroll, filter by organizational unit, or use the search bar at the top to quickly find the person you want to promote. Click the user's name to open their profile. Here you'll see account details, status, groups, and security settings. We're interested in their administrative access, so locate and select admin roles and privileges. This section controls exactly what level of administration the user has. On the roles page, find the super admin role and toggle it to assigned. When you do this, Google may prompt you to confirm the change, and in some cases, ask for re-authentication to verify it's really you. Review the warning that superadmins can manage all settings and data, then confirm to apply the change. The assignment typically takes effect very quickly, though it can take a few minutes to propagate across services. After you assign the role, let the user know they may need to sign out and back in or refresh their admin console for the new permissions to appear. It's a good idea to have them open admin.google.com to confirm they can access the console and see the settings they need. A few best practices before we wrap up. Keep the number of super admins small and only grant this role to accounts that truly require full control. Consider maintaining at least 2 trusted super admins for continuity and require strong security measures like 2-step verification on all admin accounts. Avoid assigning super admin to shared or generic accounts. Finally, if you ever need to audit changes, remember that administrative actions are recorded in the admin console reports.